First, let's head to CapCut. Click on CapCut. Click on New Project. Now I'm going to select the image I want to use as background for my video. I'm selecting this. I click on Add. Now I've added the image I want to use as background for my video. The next thing is to click on Overlay. Click on Overlay. Add Overlay. You click on it. Now I'm going to select the video I want to use for this project. Go to Video. Click on Video. Let me look for the video I want to use. Now this is the video I want to use.
Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to.
Then I'll add it. Now this is the video I want to use for this project, and the image here is what I want to use as the background. Now I'm going to remove the background of this image. Select the video and go to Remove Background. Click on Auto Remover and click on OK. Now I have succeeded in removing the background of my video. The next thing to do is to make sure you match this image to the video length. Go drag it to match with the length of the video. Make sure it matches with the length of the video. Adjust it a bit. Then the next thing to do is to reduce the opacity of the image that you are using as a background for your video. Click on the image. You go to opacity. And reduce the opacity of the video. So as you can see now, we have succeeded in using our image as background for our video.
Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove background from any image.
Very simple and straight to the point. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to actually edit the video to make it pop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow this page for more video tutorials.